So, if you're starting an online business or you're building a website for the online portion of your brick and mortar business, there are 6 key things that you need to have to make sure that you have a profitable website. 6 key things that you need to have to make sales from your website. But first, before I get into those, I'm Danielle Towner. I help entrepreneurs make their dream work through marketing and creative strategy, and I've helped countless entrepreneurs build an online presence and bring awareness to their brands through website design, social media marketing, and content marketing. So let's get into those 6 things that you need to make sure that you build a profitable website. So the first one that you need to have, and these will be throughout your entire website, you need to have calls to action. So the call to action is basically the statement that you're making to close the deal. The statement that you're making to motivate your audience to take action based on the information that they see or that you've already given them. So whatever it is that you want them to do, buy now, learn more, get this free guide, whatever it is that you're motivating them to do. It could be a sentence, it could be a link, it could be a phrase along with a button, but it's something that grabs their attention and it tells them what to do next. So you'll have those throughout your website because not everybody is going to enter your website from the same page, and most likely it won't be the home page. But if it is the home page, you need those call to actions on several areas on your home page. You need those in your blog if you have a blog on your website. You need them on any of the landing pages, anywhere that they enter your site, your about page, your services pages. You need to have call to actions in multiple places. So the second thing, and I'm gonna add to that, all of these components, they most of them work together in conjunction, like with your workflow to help you get sales. So the second thing that you need are your list building tools, your email forms, your landing page, and even your tree. Like the landing page is basically a page that you land on that gives you specific information, and then most times it concentrates on a specific product or service or offer. So you need landing pages as a part of your website because that's going to help you to put that offer, that product or service in front of them, and it's also going to help you to build your list. And that's where you'll continue to build a relationship with your clients, with your potential clients and potential customers, and you'll continue to communicate with them, give them valuable information, and also let them know about your sales, promote your products and services. So the landing page, the email forms, which are specifically there. They're not a full page, but they may be at the top of your website. You might place them again within your blog post or within the center of your home page or different pages to collect email addresses. Some of them are just saying subscribe now. Some of them have an offer included with them, just like a landing page would, but it's just a smaller form. And your tree. Your tree is going to do much more than collect emails for you. That is a place where you can place your links and your buttons that are showing your products and services. They're showing your free information or any specific place that you want your target market to focus on and to reach from that tree. You can put it there. But it's going, it's a place that you can place links to your landing pages or place your free information or your offers and continue building your list. And your list, we all know in online business, is a core component to not only building that relationship and making sales, but also continuing to have that relationship and to have recurring sales and repeat clients. So the next thing that you would need is a solid about page. Now, some people think of an about page is not that significant because it's not, it's not a fancy tool or it's not anything that you're going to have your products and services on for sale. But that is one of the first places that people go to when they go on your site and they want to know more about you. That's your first introduction, it's your first impression. It's where people decide, do I want to get to know this person or this company better, or are they going to be able to supply my needs or what I'm looking for? And that's where they go. So you want to make sure that you have a solid about page. So you want to make sure that you include a description of the company. You want to include, and this is, yeah, you're gonna have to toot your own horn. You're gonna have to talk about yourself. And I know that that's something that some people are shy about or that they fear. But whether you're doing personal branding or whether you're focusing on just your company branding, they want to know more information. So you want to give a description of your company. You want to tell the story behind this company. You want to talk about yourself and give a bio about yourself and your reason, your why behind starting this company. Have images and pictures included. And then it's another place where you will have your call to action and make sure that you have contact information that makes it easy for them to reach out to you. And your call to action can be as simple as work with me. And some people even include reviews or testimonials that give information about other clients' experience with you, to let people know I'm no rookie here. Like, people, I've had good experiences with my clients, and this is what they've had to say about me. So just make sure that that information is solid and make it fun. Have fun, tell your story, and make people want to get to know more about you. So, and this is one thing that, will come into play. The next thing will come into play within all of this content, which is search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization is about that organic traffic. It's about bringing more organic awareness about your website, and it's about increasing your volume, not only your volume but your quality of traffic from the search engines. And you do that with different practices, um, different legal or white hat practices. Not anything that's going to get you banned from the search engine. Most people include keywords, but it's more than just keywords. But you do want to think about how people or how you would search for this information that you're looking for. But that's, bringing that awareness or that quality traffic through the search engines to your website is a huge part of having a profitable website. Pinterest, for example, is a search engine, and that's a way to bring organic traffic to your website. So, some of those practices are some of the components, or one of the components that you want to keep in mind to bring more sales and generate more profits from your website. And the next thing you want to look at, which is a huge part of the overall, every area of your site or the content on your website, is your website copy. Now, copy is a little bit different from just general content. Like, if you're writing a blog post, it may include copy, but a lot of times a blog post is educational, informative, entertaining, but it may not always necessarily be to make a sale. Now, website copy is specifically with the purpose of motivating someone to take action. So you want to make sure that you have strong website copy so that you're motivating people to do what? Take those actions. So there are some things that you want to include in your website copy. You want to tell a story, just like I said about on your about page. You want to, tell a story, draw people in, engage them, entertain them. Be relatable. You don't have to be over the top with your words. You don't have to be long-winded or wordy or use, large words that people don't use on an everyday basis. You want to be generous and fun with your adjectives. Use fun words to describe, fun words and fun phrases to describe the things that you're talking about and to describe the benefits and, the results are what you or this product or service is able to do for them. And just spice it up, make it fun, but focus on the client, focus on your target market, and focus on what the goal is that they have and what you want them to accomplish. And lastly, the last component that you want to have in order to build a profitable website are share buttons. You want to have share buttons because that is an easy way for your audience to share the content, share the products, and share the services with other people, whether it be sharing it to social media, sharing it by email, or even sharing it through text message or messenger systems. You want to give them an easy way to share what they found or what they see with someone who they think might benefit from it. So with all of these components in mind while you're building your website and while you're putting together your workflow, this all works together to help you make sales along with your overall marketing strategy, your social media, and your ad campaigns. Whether you've already built a website or whether you're in the planning phases of building a website, make sure that you consider these things and incorporate them into your building plans. I have some more detailed information. I'm giving away a free checklist that breaks down this and every area of your website that you need to build, as you're doing a DIY website. Making sure that you're checking these things off the list and they're included in what you need to build a profitable and successful website for your online business. So later in the week, I'll be giving that away. If you want to be notified about that, make sure that you click the link in my bio and at the top where it says get free business resources or free business tools. Make sure that you enter your email address so you can be notified about that. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you next time.